Manawag. Beautiful Manawag, my home Manawag. I'm on a special assignment today, revisit and rediscover my home. It's not the usual thing I do, but I'm just so excited for this, so take me to a ride. My first stop, the Manawag Church Belfry or the Bell Tower, situated uphill and standing so majestically, overlooking the view of the entire town. The lush greens, the hills that shape and contour the plains, century-old relics and nature's witnesses of colorful past. It's so rare to be up here. Manawag is really blessed with fine topography. My joyride extends to 26 barangays, home of beautiful, friendly, and talented people. Bisected by the Angalacan River, each barangay offers a different flavor, from unique crafts, food, oh so delicious food, and recreational sites. Manawag is home to great talents and beauties, a first-class municipality with champion constituents headed by a competent and reputable team of local managers and outstanding leaders. Join us as we celebrate the beauty of my beloved town.
I am Ana Desiril Corpus, Hiyas ng Manawag 2006, and let me take you to a journey at magnificent Manawag.
A Mardi Gras of colors and spectacular sights. Manawag comes to life. 14 bewitching reasons in one grand spectacle of beauty.
Dana May de la Raza Macaraig 16, sponsored by Mermer and Salomon Barangay Councils and SK. Sheila May Amorida Garcia 18, sponsored by Cabanbanang Barangay Council and SK. Girlie Estrada Gesmundo 17, sponsored by Manawag Association of Government Employees. Justin Rhea Palma Garcia 16, sponsored by the Bell Barangay Council. Bernadette Villamin Ripalda 17, sponsored by ABC President Rogelio Obando. Kim Banet Abreni 17, sponsored by Luluman and Inamutan Barangay Councils. Melanie Zamata Bridge 17, sponsored by Barrito Barangay Council and SK. Chaste Alarcia Tercias 17, sponsored by the Manawag National High School. Jewel Ira Bacolod Wing 17, sponsored by Department of Education, Manawag District. Christian Jerem Garcia Anicas 16, sponsored by Araan East and Araan West Barangay Councils. Karen Garcia Fernandez 20, sponsored by Bisal and Bukal Barangay Councils. Rose Ann Donato Wanya 18, sponsored by Pao Barangay Council. Lovely P. Javier 17, sponsored by Manawag Water District. Mary Joy Malagayo Dayal 16, sponsored by Philippine National Police and Bureau of Fire Protection.
Live in the stunning and picturesque Manawag, 14 of the most fascinating young women of the town are out for the battle for the most prestigious gem.
Ana Desiril Corpus, Hiyas ng Manawag 2006, and this are the beauties of Hiyas ng Manawag 2010.
Hiyas ng Manawag 2010. Beauty, flair, and personality. Hiyas ng Manawag 2010. The pageant.
The stage is set for a grand Latin American carnival here at the Hiyas ng Manawag 2010.